Hello, hello from the Design Automation Conference 18 in San Francisco. I am with my good friend from Sankalp, Samir Patel, CEO from Sankalp. Usually when I hear Samir or I invite Samir at a DNR event, he's always the guy who gives an overview, who tells us the trends. So it's the right time to tell me after that, what is your vision, what happened. So you're the right guy, so please tell me.
All right. Thanks a lot, Gabriel. So what I heard a lot at this DAC, and that seems to be true even in my day-to-day work for several months, is that semiconductor or silicon is everywhere. It is going to be everywhere. And along with that, like most of you, I also heard the hot areas like autonomous driving, 5G, big data, artificial intelligence and all that. But my takeaway from the fact that semiconductor or silicon is going to be everywhere is what is going to happen to all the other areas where there is no 5G or there is only a little bit of interaction with 5G. For example, if you are an end node or you don't have to really use the autonomous driving or AI and any of those stuffs. So mostly the devices that most of the people talk about as industrial or IoT. So I think that is the market where the industry has a challenge. Not only how to do new innovative work, but how to do it very cost effectively. And to be able to do that, I think what is going to happen, Gabriel, is that people will have to invent the way the chip design was done. The rest of the segments of getting to the mass production are well horizontalized. But in the design space, we haven't optimized and made things as efficient as we can. I think there is still some room. So that is my actually biggest takeaway, that the opportunity for Sankalp in the next several years is to add value in all the other areas which are going to be less focused or will get less attention from the big guys. At the same time, as you know, Sankalp has been always supporting the big guys by doing their chip design services work. So it will be a two-pronged approach where we do the chip design services, and then beyond that we add value wherever we can for this forgotten or the less important markets.
So that's very strange. So what you are telling me that everybody is claiming to be in fashionable area, automotive, deep learning and so on, and that you are taking into your hand the basic needs of in the design. You are the design house who helps everybody to design all chip. And you don't claim, especially like the other do, that you only focus on this target or this target, okay? That means that you're really playing the role of the design centers of the world, yes?
Yeah, you can say that, yeah, essentially. And everybody plays to their strength. So the other actually companies obviously know what they are good at and how they can take advantage of the sort of emerging trends. But for Sankalp, you said it exactly right. I think the industry needs a platform where the basic work that has to be done day in and day out for chip design, like verification, back-end, LVS, DRC, derivatives, all that stuff has to be done. And my vision, my goal, Sankalp's goal is to be that platform which can do all that basic work.
What we say that we classify you in stable. You will not disappear because you run after this niche or this niche. So you will be there to produce really what the IP world needs. You said, yeah, ASIC, yes, synthesis house and turnkey solution provider and so on. Okay, so we rely on you. The IP world needs stability, needs competency, and not only big stories. So we will meet, I hope, over years and look the good job you're doing for the IP world.
No, thank you.
Thank you
very much. And DNR has done a very good job for us. And you said it exactly right. We would keep on adding value in these other areas. We are 12 years old. We are not going away anywhere. Nobody is buying us. We are actually hiring about 50 fresh engineers every quarter, and half of them are girls. I guess I can call them women or girls because they are half my age or even younger. But we are really building that base of the know-how and skill set that we need for doing the basic work.
Yes, somebody in the world has to keep this knowledge of electronic design, and I think it's very important in the future. Thank you very much.